Are you ready to seize the extraordinary opportunities of the AI revolution? You're in the right place at the right time. Welcome to PRISM, your launch pad to a limitless future powered by AI. I'm Dr. Jeff Bullock, founder and CEO of PRISM AI Consultants. My team and I are passionate about empowering you to harness the incredible potential of artificial intelligence. We know AI is transforming our world lightning speed. It's no longer a question of if, but when and how this tectonic shift will reshape your industry, your job, your life. As an entrepreneur, professional, or lifelong learner, you face a choice. Ride the wave of change or risk being left behind. That's where PRISM comes in. Using proven tools and techniques, we'll show you how to integrate AI into your business, work, and life to achieve breakthroughs you've never imagined possible. Whether you want to sharpen your competitive edge, fast-track your career, or unleash your full human potential, PRISM's expert coaching, educational resources, and vibrant learning community will give you the knowledge, skills, and confidence to thrive in an AI-driven world. But we're not just here to help you succeed. We want to empower you to make a real difference. At PRISM, we believe AI has the potential to make the world a better place for everyone. That's why we're committed to exploring AI through the lens of our core values: positivity, resilience, innovation, service, and mastery. If you're ready to embrace the future and unlock your limitless potential, now is the time to act. Join me in the PRISM community today, and let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Your exciting next chapter starts here. Let's make it one for the ages.